Some people paint their houses. I wash mine. Today we're doing one of my favorite things to do every year to the RV. I'm gonna have to wash it and wax it by hand. Throughout the year, normally we'll stop at truck washes and get it all taken care of, quick wash, but once a year, I wash it, I wax it, I do the roof, I pressure clean the roof, so let's get to it. It's a beautiful day, so I can't complain. The weather is beautiful, it's sunny, it shouldn't be too bad. It should take me about 3 or 4 hours, I guess. So let's get to it. Luckily, my neighbor has a nice fiberglass ladder. We've been sitting here at this RV park for 2 months now. It's nice to have neighbors that have good tools. I mean, I have a folding ladder. It's a 7-foot ladder, but it makes things a lot easier when I have a nice fiberglass ladder like this. Some people paint their houses. I wash mine. I have an assistant though. She's actually my watchdog, babysitter.
Got you covered.
There's the watchdog. There's the watchdog babysitter. Watchdog babysitter. So up to now, since we've owned the RV, the only thing I've ever used to polish it or wax it is the Aero Cosmetics wash, wax, and all. It's a pretty easy process. It's a wet or waterless wash. I usually try to wash it before I use it, like we did today. Just quick pressure clean. Now I'll go back and use it. Real simple. It is, so 1 ounce will make 16 ounces. Wash, wax, all cleaning system comes with this big pad. You notice on one side it says dry, on the other side it says wet. So what you do, it actually comes with a pull too, an extension pull, which is a benefit too because I don't have to climb on a ladder as often. But what you'll do is you'll take the wash and wax all product. It'd be easier if I opened it. Dry side, the wet side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet the wet side. You're going to wet it liberally. And what we'll do is go to the RV, rub it on, the wet side, turn it around with the dry side, and dry it right off. And do it in like every 2 or 3 foot sections.